Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.
It can be applied to design floor plan, home plan, office layout, electrical and telecom plan, seating plan, security and access plan, garden design, fire and emergency reflective, ceiling, HVAC, plumbing and piping plan, elevation and wardrobe, one maker for 13 kinds of diagram, 1/4 or less for unlimited possibilities. Abundant floor plan templates and examples are contained in Floor Plan Maker and more are easily accessible online. These examples are all well formatted, leaving little things to do before application. Users just need to make minor modification like changing another theme. In this way, even beginners can gain professional floor plans. Within only a few minutes, you are done. Then, you can choose to print or export the diagram to a multitude of formats, including Visio, Office, and graphic formats, and so on. The seamless compatibility with other programs enables easy collaboration with others. Instantly turn any floor plan into a gateway of information through inserting hyperlinks, attachments, and other objects. They are interactive infographics that anyone can create in one single diagram. You can navigate to a multitude of resources with great ease. The drawing canvas has grid lines and rulers enabling precise design. Included shapes are smart ones that know what to do with a full range of walks, room shapes, and furniture options. Some are attached with a scale which will change automatically when shapes are changed. A group of professional functions will surely ease design process and improve it to be top-notch. We have separate libraries for different types of floor plan. For different types of floor plan. So you can draw your preferred floor plan by using the exact symbol suite. Click a specific template on software to gain relative symbols and tools. There are home plan, official layout, seating plan, garden plan, fire emergency layout, HVAC plan, electric and telecom plan, etc. Making floor plans has become as simple as cake, as easy as pie with Floor Plan Maker. Just with the exact template needed so that you can give presentation quality floor plans as quick as lighting to build your dreamy house. All elements are predefined, so you just need to drag and drop them to the suitable location. It is best because it is simple. Leave all difficult stuff off, and all you have to do this is enjoy cozy house and happy comfortable life.
If you impressed this video, please like this video and share to your friends. Also, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.